How to create a quick seamless tile in Affinity Photo. Go to the Filters menu and down to Distort and Equations. Go to the X field and put 2 times X. The times is an asterisk and 2 times Y in the Y field. Go to the Extend mode at the bottom of the panel and select Mirror and click Apply. And there you have your seamless tile. You can then export it via File and Export, PNG or JPEG. If you want to record this, you can go to Macro and Library. In the Macro panel, notice you've got a little red dot there. That's recording. So click there, go to Filters and Distort and Equations. Enter exactly the same, 2 times X and 2 times Y. Extend mode, Mirror, and click Apply. And you will see now you've got Equations. Stop the recording and then go here. There's an option, the second option there, click Add to Library. Give it a name and click OK. And you can see it there in the library. You can now use it in future projects. Go to the library panel and click. Click again, and so on. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.